Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be a Korean subscription box and it is JOAH Box. Well, it's a bag and this is the second time they sent me a bag now, so I'm assuming this is what we're going to be getting. No more boxes, just a nice recyclable bag. So that's what it looks like there. So if you're new to JOAH Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to see the contents, then I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to click forward. This is early. Normally they ship their subscription boxes around the, well, I receive them around the 27th, 28th of the month. So JOAH Box is a Korean beauty subscription box all the way from South Korea. Inside you get a mix of beauty products, skincare, nail care, hair care, makeup, a lot of things. You get between say 5 and 7 items a month. All the items are full size and they're all trending items. You can also go online as well to see tips and tricks related to these products, because even though these products are written in Korean in the back of them, we do get a little leaflet inside detailing what they are in English, so I'm able to read them to you and understand, but also there's more information on their website. When you sign up, you get to fill in a short questionnaire and it's related to finding out your skin type, your skin tone and your beauty preferences, whether you prefer skincare over makeup, etc. I can't remember what I said now. I've been receiving this subscription for a good couple of months and it's gifted to me. JOAH Box reached out to me a couple of months ago and asked if I'd be interested in unboxing it for free to show you on my channel, and I am super happy because I didn't know what to expect, because I don't know anything really about Korean skincare besides masks that I've tried. So I was really curious to see what it was like and whether it is worth the money. But after talking to you and getting your opinions as well and trying the products out for myself, I've been super impressed with this subscription, and I'd say it is one of my favourite ones. I get excited for when it arrives because it is a bit different and the products are really great quality, the ones I've tried so far anyway, and that is a mix of makeup and skincare as well. So the cost of the box then, I should have said that right at the beginning. The cost of the box, if you want a monthly subscription box which you can cancel anytime and it's free shipping worldwide, it will cost you $33 or equivalent to around £25. They do offer 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost, and they do offer a one-time box as well, and that would cost you $35.95 or around £27. So you've got the option to try it for the once just to see what it's like, and no commitments whatsoever. But yeah, so I think that's all the information. Everything related to this box, discount codes and links to the website and subscription, etc. I will list down below in my description. So underneath the video you'll see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up the description and all the information and links and things will be down there. So let's see what we got inside our March box. So I got a little handwritten note. It just says, "Hello Claire, life is wonderful and so are you. Thanks for everything, JOAH Box team." They always send me a note every single month. And then we always get one of these. It's just to mark it being a March subscription box. And then we got the leaflet. So in here it details everything related to the products, and it also gives you the cost as well, which is what I really like, because I like to tot it all up and so that we can have an overall value of the box and see how it compares to the actual cost of the box. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. First item I got is, what's this? White Truffle Turnover Peeling. Okay, home facial peeling gel for even skin tone, improves dullness, and this is by the Plant Base. Whoa, this is a face peel. Okay, what's it say here? A lightweight peeling gel with Panax ginseng root extract, natural cellulose and apricot seed, gently removes dead skin cells for deeply purified skin. Okay, and this is 50 ml, so let's open this up. I don't like these little stickers here. You get them on all beauty products, but I just can't open them. So that's what it looks like there. Right, I'm not going to try it on my hand, obviously, because it's a face peel, but let's see what the information says about it. So the recommended retail price for this is $13, and it says dual active formula of natural cellulose and apricot seed, exfoliates dead skin cells and brightens dark spots without irritation. It's a very mild and refined peeling gel formulated with ginseng, Korean typically healthy roots, and white truffle. Also, this peeling is cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and use extract of real plant roots, etc. It says after cleansing your face, dry it with a towel, then take a proper amount of the peeling and and apply it gently. Massage it, making circles. Rinse with warm water and finish the rest of your skincare routine. I'm always a little bit scared of face peeling products because my skin isn't that used to acids yet. I do use a glycolic toner and that took a little while for my skin to get used to it, but I haven't used any sort of peeling skincare products before, so the fact that this is a gentle one, I think it sounds really, really good, and yeah, no, I'm really chuffed to try it. Next item, we've got something long. What is this? Azuline Calming Cream, and this is 21ml, anti-wrinkle and brightening effects, suitable for all skin types, dermatologically tested. Okay, there's no other information there, but that's what the outer packaging looks like, and that's just what that looks like there. So I'll try a little bit on my hand. It's got a seal. Oh, that feels nice. Yeah, it's absorbed into my skin really well. It's just gone. But no. No smell as such, no smell. So let's see what the information says. So the recommended retail price for this is $15, and it says Azuline is an organic compound derived from the steam distillation of chamomile. Ah, okay. This cream is a calming, soothing, balancing cream with Azuline, a potent anti-inflammatory for fast relief of redness and irritations for a radiant complexion. Use once to twice a week or whenever a calming effect is required. Apply after cleansing, toning and ampule or serum. Apply evenly to the face, neck and décolletage. That sounds really, really good. So a calming cream. No, so not an everyday type of cream, but one where I feel like my face is a little bit irritated and needs a little bit of calming, and yeah, gentle skincare to help it. So no, I quite like that as well. Our third is, what is this? MYJOAHBOX. I think I've had this before. Not this, but the brand. I just remember saying it. MYJOAHBOX maybe, I don't know. Waterizing tint. Ooh, waterizing tint. The packaging is really pretty, isn't it? So let's see what it says. No, nothing else on the packaging. Oh, it's in shade 03 Spicy Caramel Red. Sounds like it's my colour. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's a lipstick. I thought it would be like a gloss, thinking like a lip gloss type thing. But, oh, how do I open it? Oh, I was expecting to pull this off. But no, it is like a gloss lipstick. So that's what that looks like there. Oh, look at that though. Can you see the design? It looks like a lipstick is in there. And that's why I was trying to pull it off. Can you see? It looks like the lipstick is actually in there. It's like a blood red. Oh, I love it. Oh, it is. It's super glossy. Really pretty. Definitely a colour I wear, which I'm wearing similar today. Oh, that's nice. What an odd design, but really cool. I do like it, but I was just assuming that that is a lipstick. It just baffled me. Right, what's it say? So the recommended retail price for this is $12, and it says, at JOAH Box, we are using the waterizing tint for almost 2 months now, and we are loving it. The waterizing formula provides gloss effect to the lips. Colour pigment tints the lips, and the transparent gloss rise up to the surface for moist and clear texture. The lightweight water texture spreads on lips without stickiness, and rich water coating gloss creates voluptuous pout. Pure and clear colours lasts long. Apply a suitable amount on lips from centre to outwards. Adjust the number of layer to create the colour you desire. Oh, let me try a little bit on. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, definitely a type of lip product to wear with my hair up. I can imagine, you know, just a swipe of hair going across and I'll have red face all over the place. Oh, I feel it tastes almost like sweets. It tastes quite nice. But no, can you see there? Oh, that is so pretty. That is so nice. Whoa, I just tried to wipe it off. Look at that stain. Oh, I love it. I love a good stain. Look, there's nothing there. I can't get it off. It'd be interesting to see what this is like now because I've got a lipstick underneath it. What have I got here? This is a little sachet or something. Comleaf Surely Green 100 Face Oil. And this is 1.5 ml, so it's a little sample. I'll have a look in the booklet now. Face oil that helps soothe and moisturise skin with a perfect mixture of 10 kinds of nature-orientated oils. The greenish formula of nature-originated ingredients delivers rich nutrition to skin that has been damaged and sensitised by dryness, and it soothes with great comfort, softening the skin texture with ease. Oh my gosh, that sounds really lovely. Oh, it says this sample size product is curated for you to test. So it's an added extra bonus item, but even this size here would cost you $4. So the bigger size is probably quite pricey. Can you see there? The sample size product is curated for you to test, and let us know if you want to see the full version in upcoming JOAHBOX. Yes, please. Yes, I would love to see the full version. And it's 100% natural face oil, vegan friendly, formulated with 10 kinds of nature, originated oils. Common Leaf is a cruelty free brand. So there's that item. Next item, we've got Pony Effect from Serum. And I think we had, the very first box I had, we had Pony Effect and I had fake eyelashes. So what's this then? Stay Put Eye Stick in shade Vixen. So it's an eye stick. So I'm assuming like an eyeshadow or something. That's what that looks like there. Oh, whoa. It's like a metallic brown. Oh, I like that. If I just show you there quickly, and I'll put a little bit on my hand. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Yeah, it is. It's like a metallic sort of coppery brown. Really pretty colour. Really nice. Can you see there? So the recommended retail price for this is $16, and it said swipe, blend and go. Effortlessly master natural to smoky eye makeup looks like Stay Put Eye Stick. Designed with a slide-in gel formula, it glides on the skin like a dream, blends easily and sets to be completely smudge free. They come in a matte and shimmery versions. Keep your eye on our YouTube channel for video tutorial for some cool eye looks by our makeup artist. I didn't even know they had a YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they've got a YouTube channel, and yeah, so I wonder if we get different shades as well. But yeah, I've got the metallic-y shimmery one in Vixen. So that's that item. We've got one item left, and we always get this, and it's a face mask or a mask of some sorts, because this is an eye mask. It's an eye night mask. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, wouldn't it be fab if it looked like that? I was thinking it was one of those, you know, one of those self-heating masks, but no, it's a sheet mask. So a night eye mask, calming eye bags and brightening skin. And what's the brand? So by Dr. Golden, you just apply it on your eyes and wait. So what's it say? So this eye mask will cost you $3, and it says, let's bring some fun into the sheet masking game. The eye mask night is perfect for a sheet masking selfie. It's a hydrogel type of sheet mask providing hydration and cooling effect. After using toner or the jelly mist from your February JOAH box, apply the mask after removing the protective film and leave it on for 20 minutes. When removing it, don't forget to gently pat remaining essence until fully absorbed. So those are all the items. So I just gather them all up and I'll add them all up together as well. So those are all the items we got in this month's JOAH box. This is an added freebie, but altogether it comes to $63, and it works out to be around £47, something like that. So the box would cost you $33 or £25. So there is a big saving there. I am really chuffed again. I just really love it. You've got some really cool things. I can't wait to try this oil. This lipstick is stunning. It is so pretty, definitely me, and I love the fact that it's a stain. So we'll see how that goes. This calming cream sounds really good. As I said, it's not the sort of cream I'd be using day to day, but if I've got any skin irritations, then I think it's a nice cream to have in my sort of skincare collection, definitely. Then we've got this face peeling gel as well. Because it's kind of gentle and it's light, it doesn't scare me, so I am really looking forward to trying it. And then we've got this eye mask, which looks really cool. I can't wait to see what that looks like, to see if it is in the shape of stars. I don't think it is. And then finally we've got this Pony Effect, this eye pencil, and it's in like a gorgeous metallic-y brown colour. So no, I absolutely love it. I think it's really great box again this month. I'd love to know your thoughts as always, and regardless of your opinions, if you think that it's rubbish or if you think that, you know, it's not worth the money, I would love to know. It doesn't matter. I'd love to know your thoughts. We're all different in what we like, what we don't like, etc. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.